Tinker. It's a lot bigger place now than it was then. People was coming in from everywhere to work at Douglas. People loved America, and everybody did something during the war. They just worked at all the different things they could find because they loved their country. When I first started, it was in 1942. I did riveting on the nose section, putting the outside on. We had our job, and then it moved on down the line. It was mostly women, because the ones that was the age to work was in the war. They got letters from Uncle Sam. He wanted them to join. My husband was in the 45th Division. He was in the medical department, and when the war broke out, he was already in reserve. He was one of the first groups to leave because they'd already had a lot of training. And he was in France, Italy, Germany, and Africa. He was amongst the first ones to get to come back home because he had been there longer. And he also bought the first vehicle the Chevrolet garage got after the war was over. The day the war was over, everybody just laid down their tools and was ready to go home.